We're here at Macy's at the Vancouver Mall here in Vancouver, Washington. We got KONE. Cute.
I love the camera.
This is, what the hell is this? Ow. That still works. This whole thing was like, whatever. That door operator sounds terrible too. It's a nice elevator. It's just Macy's. Come on, take care of the elevator. This thing, absolutely. Wow, look at this company. Nah, it's kind of cute. We're gonna listen to that again. This thing, honestly, sucks for a KONE. Click that door close button. As well as this. Why? That is the worst sound door operator ever heard. Not the best elevator in the world, but Macy's, you need to fix the elevator. There goes the elevator. Yeah, not the best. But anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.